Hello YouTube, it's me, and this is the Cascade machine at the HacTheBox Windows machine is over here. So we're gonna be installing these machines together. So it's really like too good learning for us. There's too many things about your cybersecurity career here. So if you're checking here the machine infos, and you will see in here the animation and the real life scenario and the custom is really look like good. So we just have to be here the target IP address. So let's get starting. So when we are starting here or mmap scan with like that, so we just have to be get here to LDApp server is over there, and the other things is important here is just like an SMB server we have to be looking for, and the another Windows RPC server. So if you're checking your mmap scan, you will never see in here any web server. So we have now working with this to our Firefox. So let's minimize it. Done. So let's get starting with ldapp is over here. So we got here the ldapp. So we just have to be adding here to be the paste here. Then we got here the domain. So our first domain is equal to here, is Cascade, and the second one is equal to here to locale is over here. You just have to be starting with that. So when you are able to with this to looking for this ldapp, so we got here this domain controller, then we can try to be using here ldapp search. So let me running here ldapp search. Then you just have to be give the HA for your host. Our host is equal to here. You just have to be copy this IP address. Then you just have to be give it here, and then so the other things and -x-b. So if you remember before, so let me run in here to ldapp search and -h. So we got here so of the before the video, and then how we can use ldapp search here. Then you can have, for example, is for symbol authentication. So the other important things for this video here. So I think it's time to be to running here ldapp search one more time. So we just have to be give it, and then copy paste your IP address here and -x-b, and then the for here you just have to be copy here what you or got it before is over there. So let me copy that and then paste it here. Then yes, it will be really nice because it worked. But if you're checking your ldapp search, there is too many things for the analyzings. So if you want to be working with the here to grab, you just have to be checking here clear, and then let me running here just to grab, and then SMI account name here. You just have to be looking for this account name here. No, there is no, so it could be like with the let me for example give me like that. This could be like right. So let me get starting again. So which one? Yes, we have to be just to give it this. So again we have to be run it this, and then just grab with this. Then it will be work. Then yes, it works. So we got here so to manage account name here. So we got here the some username is first of all this one. So second one is this. No, it's could be like that. So we got here too many user. So we just have to be save it, and here jvac file, and so as hitchcons and hunt, and a turnbull. Then the second one yeah, too many user is over there. Then we just have to be get it one more time. So alright, that's cool. We just have to be get here the last two ones. So let me copy them and I paste at my now here. So I think it's cool. So what does it mean? So we just have to be starting here crack map exec, but we have a no password. So if it's there a password, so let's just to looking for it. So for example, you can run pv. Then yes, I think we got here something, but it doesn't work for the password here. So if it's there, there's something here, the difference. So we can use it for it to get it here the password. It could be to different here. There is no too familiar with this the PWD. It could be like different. But so are we going to get here So let me checking for to all user here, then we will be checking it. Let me scroll up, then one more time scroll up here. I just got so I think we can use it here or dot. Yeah, it's over there. Yes. So yeah, we got here to any password for the user. Yes, we got here this Cascade legacy password is over here, but we have to use it for that to base 64. Then we got here the hash for the user. Then let me go here the cyber shaft and then just run it. Alright, that's cool. So we got here the users and the password hash is over here. Then yes, we got here the password. So I think it's time to be running here crack map exec. So let me clear all of things here, and then for the definitely we have to be go here home Elliot documents and cascade here. Then so nano user.txt. So let me copy the all the txt user is over here and just paste it here. Then we just have to be running here crack map exec smb, and then for the looking for the smb here, and you just have to be give it the here to IP addresses. You know, its IP addresses is equal then the dash u is equal to user.txt and dash p is equal to that. So let's using here crack map exec for the which user has this password. Then it's to connection with the to user here to crack map smb. Then we get here the username. So our username is equal to here to r.thompson and the password is equal to that. So now we can use it here smb. So to let me running here smb client-l for the this IP address for sure, and then to dash u is equal to r Thompson is over here, right? So let me give it. Then we got here something. Yes, it's could be like that. Then yes, we have the password here. So nope. Okay. So let me try it one more time. Then yes, we got here the credential it. So I think we have to be go here data. So let me go here the data shares which is can r.thompson will access. Then here one more time again you have to be give it the to backslash and then it's could be like that. One more time to copy the password, then go for to this user is over here. Then yes, we get here this smb accesses. So you just have to be running here mark and then no, it's not mark. It's musk. That's for sure. Then recurs is on. Then prompt of the immediate here all. So get here the all files at my Kali Linux. So we get here something the access they needed. But if you are getting to something different, so we can use it for using for it. Then it will be nice for us. So we got here the too many things. So let me Control C. Then we got here contractors, finance, IT, production, and tab. So let me go here the IT. Then here we can go email archives. Then alright. So the cat meeting June. So there is nothing. So we can go back. Is over there. So go here the logs. So we can go here the logs. Then yes, too many things we got here, but okay, cat ddoc the log. Okay, I think we can read it. Then again we got here nothing. So let me go here the back one more time. It could be on logon audit. No, there is nothing. So let me go back and go the temp file. So we got here the new user, it's as.smith. So let me go there for the as.smith. Then vnc install.rag file we got here. Then yes, we got here so many things for different. Okay, we just have to be know they are getting their password on the dword file. So is the file is here is equal that. So we got here the password, but just with the password tags. So therefore they're looking for it. So we just have to be go on your Firefox and getting here password decrypt on this frisbee the password decrypt here. So you just have to be using here OpenSSL. So for the use it so let me copy that and get my to color Linux one more time. You just have to be give here. So then you just have to be changing here this echo-n that it will be give you the correct password is over here. So we just have to be running here to it. Okay, let me doing here so wrong. 6b cf 2a 4b and then 6a 5a and ca0f is over here. So we can copy this and to paste it here. Then yes, we got here the password. So this is we got here the password. So it's again it's time to be running here let me go back one more time to go back. Then crack map exec again. So crack map exec on the SMB for this user for this IP address, and then it's definitely could be like different here, but so we can check it with this to how we can use it. Okay, so -u user.txt and -p is equal that. So let me copy them and I go here. Then yes, it worked. So we got here the username and password. So our username is equal to here for this password is as.smith and the password is equal to that. So now time to be go again smb to client -l for this. Then we just have to be copied here the IP address, right? Yeah, that's correct. Then to -u. Yeah, we have to be give here capital U is here, and so we just have to be copied then and paste it here. So we just have to be paste it here one more time to this password. Oh my god, we got here so we got here something wrong. So let me try. Then yes, it worked, and we got here the adult and then $, so shares is over here. So let me use it. Audit and the $sign here, then just running here to / again. So we can use it here for the using it and the paste it here password. Then yes, it worked. So we got here the too many things again. For example, exe file dll db rounded and bad system data sql.dll, too many things here. So again, what we were doing before, mask and recurs could be on and prompt could be off here. Then just get the old file is over here what's running off the server. Then yes, we got here this too many file before we get, so we can use it for them so for different things for getting here. So let's just waiting for to get it here. Then yes, it gets. So here there is too many file, and then the most important things I think is over here could be database. So let me go here the database file, then running here files to out database. So we just have to be checking here. Yes, they are using here sqlite3.x. So we can run it with sqlite3 and then add.database. Then it worked. So we just have to be giving here tables. And then we got here the delayed user is added here, then select from this. Then yes, it worked because we got here too many things different, but there is no hash and there is no nothing to here, so we cannot running it. So let me Control C here, then go here one more time to back. Then if you're checking it, sorry, for example, so you got here to cut audit.exe, but you cannot, for example, to cast.audit.exe is give you or not cool. So for example, if you're checking it files, the cascade.exe file, no, it's not files, it's file. Yes. Then it's just giving us here executable console in Intel Net Assembly and the Microsoft Windows. So when we are seeing this, we just have to be running here to prompt off to wine on or Kali Linux. So me running here to the correct answer wine. So before the this, we just have to be getting here dnspy exit, and I know it's on the op file. So can we get this? Yes, my dnspy exit is over here. You just have to be check it on dnspy exit file on the GitHub with this release. Then you just have to be to install it net Windows 64. For example, if you want to be running here dnspy.exe, it will not working because it's giving us the here kernel 32.dll file because we are on Kali Linux and there is no kernel 32.dll file. So you just have to be running here the different command. For example, like it could be like wine. So I just actually asked this ChatGPT and it's giving me our correct answer. So let me show you and then let me share with you again here. So it could be fine for us because we can running our what we want to be running here on this to cut file. So we just have to be copy this and it will be work and just the paste it here. So okay, so just the paste it here. If it's work, it's giving us this to here. Yes, that's really cool because it's work is over here. So now we can actually to be the file open and for analyzing the data. So you just have to be go here the slash and the home Elliot documents and then Cascade and then to exe file is over here. Then yes, we got here there's something to different with this to assembly and the C code and then DLL file is over here. So it's time to be analyzing it. So let me go here and then we got here cascade.exe file. Alright, for example, let me check it for if you are looking for here different things, yes, we found also here. So we just have to be paste it. Then this is our to password for to running here the Cascade audio to email number is over here. So you just have to be paste it then so we just have to be paste it. Then for the second one, so let me show you where is the second one. It could be like here now. I actually don't remember, but it could be like here. So for example, let me checking for. No, there is no. So for example here, my computer, no. There are white tabs on my project. So I think it could be like two different file here. So let me looking for. No, I cannot find, but I got it before, and then if your file here DLL file, you just have to be go again the ChatGPT, and for example for me, I just paste here what we are found this file before. For example, this one. So we just have to be definitely use it again. So then we find this K and this K. So I just pasted it on ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is giving this for the decrypt them. So we just have to decrypt them with this. So to here, let me go. Alright, it's fine. So we can actually run in here remove AES.python. Then before to do this, it's not could be here. Okay. Sublime tags AES.python. AES.python. So you just have to be the paste here. Now, so we got here the K is over there, and the second K is I is over there, but we have no encrypted string here, so we just have to be looking for them SQLites. Again here the database. So let me go here the database again. Then we are routed the database for what to get it before, and the SQLite browser and audit.database is over here. So if you're checking here browse data and then table is giving your LDAPE, so you got here this for example to hash for to binary for the data. But if you're going here, for example, chat to CyberShade, it's giving us nothing because it's to redirective with AES-cipher is over here. So you just have to be run it there. Then let's minimize of all of things here. Then we can control C it, then go back, and then then we got here AES.python file is over here. Where's our AES? Okay, so we just have to be control save. Then yes, we got here. So we just have to be running AES.python file. Then yes, we found the password of this. No, it's could be here. That's correct. And then now here. Okay. Not.txt. So we found here the password. So now we have no idea what is the password for. So we just have to be clear here and to go, for example, here. So I think we can to check it here. Again, you have to be running your crack map exec and then smb, and then for this IP address, and then -u is user.txt and -p is to welcome friends, what we are finding here before. Then yes, we found the username is equal that, and the password is equal that. Now I think we can using here evil-windows around for the getting here when the PowerShell, and -i to 10.10.10 and to 182 -u is equal to org services. Then -p is definitely here equal to welcome friend. So then yes, it worked. We got here the shell from the argcv. So let me go here to here, there's nothing. Then let me go back and let me go back here one more time. So let me running here the deer. So we got here this estimate. So for example, go here the estimate, and then if it's work here different, so we will find it here. So cd desktop, then our access is deleted. So we got here this estimate username and password. So we got here the username and password for the estimate. So let me control C it, and the getting shell before the to arg services for estimate. So s.submit here, and for the password we just have to be queue this. All right. Then it worked, so we can go back and then go here to desktop. Then yes, and we got here user.txt is over here. So now again, we can get shell again arg services. So for the privilege escalation here, so you just have to be running here if you were starting before to who am I and /all. Then we got here the too many groups and the user. For example, let me checking for here we got local group, the management user, and then anti-LM authentication. So too many things it's actually we got here. So is it could be to able to get here again. So for example, let me go here who am I groups. No, it's not who am I groups, it's group. Yes, that's for sure. Oh no, we got here nothing because of who am I, who am I. Yes, we got here the group is over here. So I think it's could be to different thing for to user here ADObject. So it's could be, or I think it's time to be go HacTheBox. So let me go here HacTheBox and looking for here ADObject. So I think we got here what we have to be doing here is over there, I think. No. Now there's no certify. So I think we can use here, for example, if you remember here we got here sqlite again. So let me go here database one more time, and then running here sqlite3 for add.database. So if you're checking here the tables and then the select from deleted user audits. No, really? Okay, so we got here the deleted user here, so we can checking for them. So if the administrator is here deleted, so how we can do it? With definitely with get that object here. Then so let me running here get ADObject is over there, and then definitely we have to be running here ldap filter because we to access it with ldapearch. So let me check again. Yes, they are using here domain controller. Then so it's time to be running here from include deleted objects here. Alright, so we have to be giving here some parameter like no. Okay, you know, we have to be added here and no, it's could be like then yes is deleted if equal to true here. So we have to be adding here parentheses again. Yes, it worked. It's really cool. Now we can check in here this username and password for the administrator because it's on the deleted user. So for example, let me check in here checking for object class is user here, right? So I think to object class we can check in here object class is equal to user. Then yes, it's to try again. Then we got here the temp admin is over here. Then we got here this admin hash with this to credential is over here. So now our target is equal to temp admin. So we just have to be adding here temp admin here to directly. So display name, right? Yes, display name is equal to the temp admin. It could be like that for sure. So to forward before the get is, you just have to be given here properties for all because we have to be checking them all properties is over here. Then yes, it worked, and we got here this the administrator password hash. So one more time, you just have to be go there and just give it. Then yes, we got here the password of administrator. So to let me try if it's working. So I think we have to be try one more time. Evil vim. For this is password is equal that, and then the username is equal to here administrator. So yes, so let me rank here. Who am I? Then we are here administrator, and this is our end of the video. It's really cool room, and thank you for the watching.